This is Nandita Paradkar. As part of Gallows Road Multimodal Study, we are also looking at connectivity across I-495 with various options for bicycle and pedestrian crossings. We looked at 6 possible locations. The general selection criteria included considering connecting points to existing bicycle lanes and sidewalk facilities, avoid or minimize impacts to existing buildings, utilities, and water features, provide adequate space to accommodate grading. Connectivity options 1 to 3 are crossings across I-495 between Gallows Road and Route 50. Option 4 is a little north of Route 50, and options 5 and 6 are between Route 29 and I-66. We would like to make recommendations for 2 or 3 locations based on community feedback. Some of the benefits and disadvantages of each of these options are listed here. The connections that you see here in red are the proposed bridge locations across the Beltway. Option 1 is location close to Gallows Road in I-495 interchange. The greater benefit is the connection between Innova Hospital and Homestone community, but with possible conflicts with existing power substation facilities, easements, and overhead power lines, and impact to residential properties. Location 2, option 2 is little north of option 1 with its connectivity to Fairview Park Paths and Innova. But this is more constrained site due to office space and creek on east side. It has potential conflicts with overhead power lines. Option 3 is located a little south of Route 50 with its connectivity to Fairview Park Paths and the hospital. Crossing is more central with access to Route 50, but with impacts to office complex and overhead power lines. Option 4 is just north of Route 50 with its connectivity to Fairview Park Paths and Innova and to the surrounding apartment complexes and retail centers. Added benefit connecting to the planned Route 50 trail around interchange. On the con side, it has potential conflicts with overhead power lines and limited right of way on the west side. Option 5 is located right next to Route 29, connecting Route 29 to surrounding neighborhoods and to WNOD trail with potential utility and right of way impacts. Limited right of way availability on west side, constrained by existing parking and business park. Option 6 is just south of I-66 with connectivity to Route 29 and to WNOD trail. This will require right-of-way acquisition from residential owners. That concludes the overview of the crossings.